Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. Amazon has been on fire, obviously from 3,200 to 3,800 from when the squeeze fired. It's just been off and running. Today it made new all-time highs and then dropped over $100 a share from that. And so the question is, did it just put in a spike high, or is this just the pause and we're going to continue to rally into earnings, right? And so some of the things we want to be aware of is that there are bigger macro themes at work here. And believe it or not, Amazon and bonds have been following each other lockstep. Bonds fall, Amazon falls. Bonds rally, Amazon rallies. Bonds fall, Amazon falls. Bonds rally, Amazon rally. So I say all that because today TLT has confirmed what I think is going to be a multi-month top. I could be wrong on that, but just from watching this, I'm looking for, can we come back down and kind of retest some of the lows here in the bond market? And if this scenario continues to play out, then I would look for the hammer to come down on Amazon as well. So, yep, there is a little bit of a wild card because there's earnings, but remember, of course, the market likes to kind of tee everybody up, suck them in, and then rip their faces off. The other thing that I've been watching here is the transports. And oftentimes, I know it seems like if you're newer to the concept of transports seem like this archaic sector of the market, like who cares? But they often move first. So what do I mean by that? Well, back here at the end of April, transports put in their all-time high. And since then, for now 2.5 months, they've been selling off. This is basically a huge divergence, and while you've got the S&P and the NASDAQ making all-time highs on the backs of about 5 stocks, you've got this very blatant, not subtle, blatant deterioration happening in these other indexes. And a lot of times what the transports are saying is, by the way, in 3 months, when you look back at the S&Ps, this is exactly what it's going to look like. So just kind of keep it in mind. If you're locked and loaded long here, for the love of all that's good, trail up your stops, take some chips off the table. Yeah, we may continue to explode higher from here, but we're at a point where it's more likely that we're not. And so just kind of keep that in mind. All right. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll see you at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me